Hello guys, it's T-Rex here and welcome to episode 14 of Star System Spotlights, this time featuring Cupis. I am doing a spotlight on the Cupis system because it is a very profitable system for trading, and I will explain that later. So let's first get to the system map. Cupis does have a class F star, which are white main sequence stars, and they're slightly bigger than our own sun and also have a slightly higher surface temperature. And there is going to be 10 planets total that are orbiting Cupis. And on these 10, there are 7 high metal content planets. So that's where trade comes into play. These very rich high metal content planets are able to produce such cheap minerals and metals that when you trade them to other systems such as refinery or high-tech systems, you can profit a ton from it. Personally, I've been buying palladium from this system and going to another system for about 1,500 credits per ton. That's very, very profitable, and I suggest you guys, the traders out there, if you want to do that, come here, but also the pirates out there, if you want to raid some filthy rich traders, you can also come here too. But you got to take your chances because this is a federation system and there is police enforcing the law. In fact, I have been interdicted a couple of times by the police to do random scans. So yeah, the security level is quite high in this system, and if you're a pirate and you want to make some money, you have to think about that. So there's a lot of starports and stations in the system. I would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So basically, which planet you go, there is a starport or outpost out there. So no need to worry about that. But however, I want to talk about one particular planet, Cupis 7, which is an Earth-like world. It's a super Earth, which means it has a slightly bigger radius than Earth, it weighs more than Earth, and the surface pressure is more than Earth. So yeah, it has 2.6 Earth masses. Its radius 8,100 kilometers, slightly bigger than Earth. Surface pressure, again, a little bit bigger, and its atmosphere is composed of about 16% oxygen, which is slightly lower than Earth, but is enough to support life. And its orbital period is, however, I think it's 534 days, which is almost, I would say, a little less than 2 years because of the position. You can see there's tons of planets that are closer to the sun than it. It's Cupis 7, so that's the 7th farthest from the sun. So that makes its orbital period a lot longer than Earth. But still, I mean, it can sustain life, and we will be seeing it later. So yeah, there is going to be the Brahe hub, which is going to be orbiting it, and this starport, has unique features other than the other starports we see here. The other starports or outposts mainly export, if they have a commodity market, they mainly export minerals or metals. But however, Brahe hub mostly exports fruit and vegetables, grain and fish due to the Earth-like planet that it orbits. So if you guys want to add some spice to your trading and trade also some food, then that's a nice place to go. So also another noteworthy thing is that Cupis 8 has a moon, and it is a water world. Now, what is a water world? Water worlds are planets that the surface is mostly covered with water, with little or no land at all. So it is going to have a lower density than Earth does, but it is very interesting. Imagine an endless ocean and you just sailing on it, and I mean, it's a pretty unique experience, right? So once they open planetary landing, I guess water worlds are going to be very interesting places to explore. Again, Cupis 9 is a class 1 gas giant. It's the biggest planet in the system, and it has a lot of moons, icy moons, just as expected from a gas giant. So we talked about trade and we talked about all the planets. So since there is an Earth-like world, we will be looking at it, and I am actually docked in normal space right in front of it, so prepare for that. So this is going to be Cupis 7, the Earth-like world, the super Earth. So there is going to be agriculture and marine life on it here. The sun is all the way over there on the other side. The sun is pretty small. That's Brahe hub, which is the one, the starport orbiting it. And the sun's all the way over there. It's pretty small. Yeah, so yeah, the Cupis is a nice system and very profitable for traders. So if you want to come here, obviously you're welcome, and we can run some trade runs together if you want. Just message me. And so this is going to be the end of episode 14 of Star System Spotlights featuring Cupis. And I hope you guys make profitable runs and pirates catch some nice filthy rich merchants, and I will see you guys next time.